Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube video. Today we are taking it outdoor. We are testing out the wireless GoPro 2 to see how far this quality of sound can hold us, to see how far we can test the sound in a public environment like this, how far we can get quality sound from this. And equally, I'm testing out this on my Dji RS2 with the use of Nikon Z6II Mark II on the 35mm lens. So we can see, we'll try to see how we can pull this through. And again, I'll be showing you guys the beautiful environment of First State Alakpere. So guys, stand by and let's